Hi there, here Chef Bonus, and today in this video I'm going to talk about some four important terms, which is all about the pigments of the vegetables. Here we go. The first we can see here is you can see anthocyanins, then we have anthocyanins, then we have a chlorophyll, then we have a carotenoid, right? So it has all different kind of pronunciation when it comes to Italian version, or we can say like in a French style. So we're going to talk about, we're going to discuss about these four important terms today. And before that, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe because it's really motivate me to make more of videos just like this to help you guys. So let's go. The first slide that what we have here is white vegetables, right? So what exactly the white vegetable pigment calls? So this is going to be a range of like in a pale yellow to white, right? So this is actually called is anthocyanins. So this is anthocyanins, exactly the pronunciation of this word. So this is actually the white pigment stays white in acid and turn yellow in alkaline water. So it react to the acidic. So it depends on that. So you have to figure it out before you're gonna do anything. You have to figure it out that you shouldn't be go your vegetables straight in the alkaline water. So you're gonna be turned yellow. So the exact color you won't gonna get it. To keep the vegetable white, add a little lemon juice or cream of tartar and to the cooking water, and yeah, especially don't add too much because this can be like tough in the vegetable. So it's gonna be hard and not exactly chewable, right? So we want like tender and bit firm. So here the cooking specially is in steamer, helps to maintain the color, flavor, and the nutrition as well. So we don't want to overcook or different methods. So this is the best method that exactly we can sustain with the color. We can all tender everything, and the nutritional value will be completely stale for longer, right? So this is what about the white vegetables. Let's go to the next slide, which is all about the red vegetables, right? So here we go. The red vegetables comes the beetroot, the red cabbages, right? So red pigments react very shortly to acid and alkaline. So it has a really great strong kind of a color that is staying for longer. So this is called as anthocyanins. Anthocyanins, right? Or you can say anthocyanin. So this is the particular word that exactly they use for the red vegetable pigments. The red pigment for the red vegetables, right? Here we go. The red color actually dissolves easily in water, first of all, so we don't have to keep for longer, and acid turns into like a brighter color. So while cooking, use a small amount of acid, right? Like vinegar, you can say like lemon juice. This is all an acidic product. So when we're going to use that one, so it's going to dissolve a little red, so you're going to be a bit fade up. To keep idea or keep and maintain the red color, so please try to keep a little far from the acidic, right? It's more brighter, gonna turn more brighter actually, right? The red pigment is strong and acidic and alkaline. Here we go. The green vegetables are what we have is here the acidic as a mean for the green vegetable, as people know about it, is very common. It's about the chlorophyll, right? So how the acid react to the green vegetables. It are the enemies of the green vegetables. Both acid as long cooking turns greens to olive green. So it look like a kind of the vegetables which have been kept for longer, so we don't feel like eating, because when the greens turns to olive green, doesn't look good. We want the all complete proper color of the vegetable that what we get in the market. So acid are the enemies, right? So try to figure it out. So don't add any of acid in it. So you're gonna keep a green kind of an olive green, right? And that's called as a chlorophyll, that pigment. So steaming method of cooking a green vegetable is preferred. It helps not to dissolving out of the nutrients and the flavor, and doesn't break up delicate vegetables, first of all, right? And do not use baking soda to maintain the color green. Soda destroy the vitamins and makes texture unpleasantly. So try to figure it out. A lot of people actually don't even know that people use baking soda to maintain the color green, which really create a lot of problem to the vegetables. Well, it might look green, but later it's not used to eat it, because the way you eating, the reason you eating for the nutrients and for your vitamins, right? And you're not gonna get that. So please avoid the soda. And here we go. The last and the least, that what we have here, the yellow and orange vegetables. So let's see, figure it out. This pigment are very stable and they're little affected by acid and alkaline. So you can see that it's very stable, so it doesn't affect that much in acid or alkaline. So this is what we call, the pigment name is carotenoid. Carotenoid. So this is what the pigment name, right? So this is like a long cooking can dull the color, and short cooking not only prevent dulling the color but also preserve vitamin and flavor. This is a very much important part which is really matters a lot, because it helps not to preserve but vitamins and flavor also. So this is what the pigment called carotenoid when it comes to yellow and orange. So you know that, like corn, carrot, winter squash, then we have sweet potato, tomato, red pepper. This all comes in these categories, right? Depend on the color, and that's the reason when we go to the market we try to figure out the colors. So sometimes it's like deals with some acidic, something like that. For that reason only, the color is not exactly the what we exactly looking for. Sometimes the green doesn't look that really green. When you go for the capsicum or any of leafy vegetables, sometimes it looks very fade, right? So it's like less quantity of chlorophyll, or not exactly got that much sun explore to that. So that's the only reason that actually how the color really matters. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm going to bring a lot of this kind of video which is going to help you guys to understand about the top professional terms. So we'll be like find a lot of knowledge, and thank you for watching, and I'll be get back with a lot of videos. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and turn on the notification ring, so that will help you to check it out, all the new videos coming up one by one, right? Thank you, have a great day guys.